and a very welcome to everyone watching us today. My name is Dayo and I'm here with my co-presenter.
My name is Ifiyinfoluwa.
My name is Ijebu-Ode.
Yeah, my name is Dayo once again, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you to Iwure Palace, a platform dedicated to celebrating, preserving, and passing on the beauty, wisdom, language, tradition, and cultural heritage of the Yoruba people. Today, August 20, is a very special day in Yoruba culture life, Isheshe Day.
Isheshe reminds us of our roots, our heritage, our tradition, and the wisdom handed down to us by those who came before us.
On this special occasion, the director and founder of Iwure Palace, Dr. Prince Olawunmi, sends his warm greetings and best wishes to all sons and daughters of Oduduwa across the world.
Whether you are in Nigeria, elsewhere in Africa, Europe, the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, the Caribbean, Brazil, or anywhere in the world, today we celebrate together as one people connected by a remarkable cultural heritage.
At Iwure Palace, we believe that knowing where we come from helps us understand who we are and gives the next generation something meaningful to inherit.
May our language continue to flourish, may our culture continue to thrive, may the wisdom of our ancestors never be forgotten, and may peace, progress, unity, and prosperity continue to be with the children of Oduduwa throughout the world.
On behalf of Dr. Prince Olawunmi and the entire Iwure Palace family, I wish you all a peaceful and memorable Isheshe Day. A kú ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, a kú àṣà, a kú ìṣe, a kú ìran Odùduwà. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe á gbè wá o, àṣẹ.